Good morning. Welcome to Story Time. I'm Tarneshia Evans, Children's Program Developer here at Lewis Ginter Botanical Garden. We are practicing social distancing here in the garden. My friend Claudine, who is filming this, is more than 6 feet away from me. And I'm not wearing a mask so you guys can hear me clearly and you can understand the activities. Today we will be reading Singing in the Rain. This is a book based on the song from the musical Singing in the Rain. Singing in the Rain. Pictures by Tim Hopgood. So remember, there's really no author because this book is about a song. So we do have an illustrator. His name is Tim Hopgood. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. I'm happy again. Do you guys like playing in the rain? Do you like jumping in rain puddles, splashing with your rain boots? I'm laughing at clouds, so dark above. The sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love. Let's count. How many friends right now are playing in the rain? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 friends are playing in the rain. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on, with the rain, I have a smile on my face. I walk down the lane with a happy refrain, and I'm singing, just singing in the rain. Do they look like they're having fun? Yeah, I see lots of smiles. I see lots of movement. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. I'm happy again. Now they look like they were in a city. Now it looks like they left the city. Now it looks like they're in some type of rainforest. I'm laughing at the clouds, so dark above. The sun's in my heart, and I'm ready for love. Look, the boys shaking hands and talking to my favorite animals. There's some frogs. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Look, now they have no shoes on, playing in the rain. Come on, with the rain, I have a smile on my face. I walk down the lane with a happy refrain, and I'm singing. Just singing in the rain. Looks like they're heading back to the city again. So that was not a very long story today, was it? It wasn't. But I want you guys to use your imagination and think of how many ways you can play in the rain. Did you jump in puddles? Did you make mud pies? You can look for worms. Well, stay tuned because we have an activity that you guys can do to help you learn about the cycle of rain. Welcome back. We just finished reading Singing in the Rain. Now we are going to do an activity about the water cycle. Do you guys know what the water cycle is? Well, the water cycle is nature's way of recycling water. So to all the adults who are watching story time right now with your little ones, I know you're probably thinking, oh, the water cycle may be a little too abstract to learn with my younger ones, especially preschool and under, or 4 years old and younger. But I have the perfect activity to get your children started about learning about the water cycle. We are going to make a water cycle bag, and I'll show you how to make this step by step. This is my big version that I use all the time, and as you can see, I've labeled my bag. I have precipitation, then we have evaporation and condensation. And I also colored my bag with Sharpie. Sharpies work the best. Then I have a little version that works better for younger children. So, also, it'll be a great idea for your parents, adults who are watching with their young ones. The water cycle can be abstract sometimes, but I'll show you two versions of the water cycle. So this one would be way too abstract. There's a lot going on and a lot of words, right? So this one is not as abstract. It's a little more low-key. And it basically just shows you simple illustrations of the water cycle. It shows you precipitation, when the clouds get heavy and the rain comes down. Also shows you how evaporation happens, and then condensation. So this is a really simple way, and I suggest you guys just Google different versions of the water cycle to show your children. So now, do you want to make a water cycle bag? So what you need is a baggie, Ziploc bag. You're going to need some tape, which I did not bring with me, but you need some tape. And even if I did, where would I hang it? So you're going to need tape, a Ziploc bag. You also need Sharpies to decorate your bag, and some food coloring. So I'm going to, also you need water. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour some water into my little baggie. Not a lot, just a little bit. Next, this is totally up to you. I'm going to drop some blue food coloring into my bag to represent water. Also, liquid watercolor works as well. And liquid watercolor is not as messy and not as permanent as food coloring, but they both work fine. And I'm going to drop. Look at it, it's already on my hand, but it's okay. Just drop it. And if you wanted to add a little more stem to this lesson, you could also use yellow food coloring and blue, because yellow and blue makes green, but we just use blue. You want to seal this up really tight, and you want to tape this to a sunny window. What's going to happen is, I'm not going to tell you what's going to happen. I want you to try it at home. So you're going to decorate your bag first. I did mine. I'll show you my big one. which is decorated. I decorated my sun. I colored it yellow. Again, you need Sharpies. You're gonna put some water in here in the bottom. Add food coloring if you like, but you're gonna tape it to a sunny window. Watch what happens. It's a great way to show younger children the water cycle and what happens to water. So I hope you guys enjoy story time, and I hope that you make a water cycle baggie. Also, please use the resources that was on this post. Great resources, lots of different ways to play in the rain. Lots of book resources, nonfiction and fiction books about the water cycle, seasons, and weather, and rain. So, see you next week.